Good afternoon, dear subscribers and guests of the channel. Last time we figured out how to reset the DIGI Anywhereusb router to factory settings. For those who are interested, the link to this video will be in the upper right corner. To minimize the number of problems in working with the device, you need to periodically check for new firmware on the manufacturer's website and update it, which will be discussed today. But before we start, I ask you to subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up. It's very easy, you can check for yourself. The first thing we will find out is where to download the firmware on DIGI Anywhereusb. To do this, you need to go to the site of the manufacturer. The link will be in the description of this video. Next, you must select the type of your device. Mine is Anywhereusb/2 G2. By default, you will be offered the latest, stable firmware version. Download it, it will be one file. Next, open the DIGI Anywhereusb Web Management Console, go to the Administration Update Firmware tab. In the Select Firmware field, click the Browse button. Once you have selected the firmware file, simply click the Update button. The update process itself will take 10-15 seconds. After it is completed, you need to send the device to reboot. If your IP address was obtained using a DHCP server, then it may change. You just need to take this into account. We refresh the page and see the authorization form. I ended up changing my password that didn't exist. If you upgrade the firmware to 8 or greater using the web UI, the router retains the existing default user accounts. If you upgrade the firmware to 8 or greater using FlashWriter, the default account will be admin and the password will be default. As a result, the standard DBPS password came up. But also keep in mind that if you changed your login before, then it will remain and will not be admin. You need to remember this. After I picked up the password, I was able to get on the device, go to the firmware update section and see that everything was applied. The update was successful. To download previous versions, there is the official DIGI FTP server. Go to the Firmware section, where I advise you to filter the column by the date of the last change. Download what you need. Thank you for watching to the end. If you have any questions or suggestions, then write them in the comments. I will definitely try to help you.